First on our list is the Superfood Salad Bowl. This dish is a powerhouse of nutrients and colors, starting with a base of leafy greens like kale or spinach. Add a rainbow of vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and cucumber for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Now, let's not forget about protein. Sprinkle in some quinoa, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds. To finish off this masterpiece, drizzle a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. Each bite from this bowl is a symphony of flavors and health benefits. Next on our culinary journey is the grilled lemon herb chicken. This dish is as tantalizing as it sounds. Begin by marinating chicken breasts in a mixture of fresh lemon juice, crushed garlic, and a blend of herbs like thyme, rosemary, and oregano. Allow the chicken to soak up these flavors for at least 30 minutes, then grill until it's beautifully charred and irresistibly juicy. Pair this with a side of roasted vegetables, and you've got a wholesome meal that's hard to resist. Lastly, we have our Veggie-Packed Stir Fry. This is your quick fix for those busy weeknights when you want something healthy and delicious on your plate. Begin by sautéing a mix of vibrant vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Add in your chosen protein, be it tofu, shrimp, or thinly sliced chicken breast. Jazz it up with some soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Serve this over brown rice or quinoa, and voila! You have a satisfying meal that's ready in no time. And there we have it, 3 delicious nutrient-rich recipes that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. Cooking these recipes at home is a great way to take control of your health and enjoy the process of creating flavorful meals. So why not give them a whirl and share your experiences in the comment section below. And remember, if you enjoyed these recipes, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary inspiration. Until we meet again, here's to happy, healthy cooking.